How to find saved videos on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And here, first simply find a video that you want to save and tap on it. Now once you have opened the video, simply scroll right on the option below the video and tap on save. Now choose the playlist where you want to save the video. For this video, I'm gonna simply save it to the watch later. And once you're done with that, simply tap done and the video will be saved. And now to find your saved video, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, here you can see the option labeled as playlist, and beside that option you can see the option labeled as view all. So simply tap on that. And now once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap the option labeled as watch later. And here you'll see all your saved videos. And that's it. Now you know how to easily save and find the video on your YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.